Hello everyone, Warren here with the Peach State Prime channel, and today we're still in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, and in this video we're down here at the beach and the boardwalk. As you can see the ocean behind me here. It is a nice February morning, actually wearing shorts so it's not too cold out here, just a little chilly, some clouds, but I'm sure those will go away in a little bit. But hope you'll join me in this video as we take a look around the beach area. And then, so of course we have the beach area, lots of public beach. And then we have this big volleyball area over here. And I think it's free play. I'm sure they do tournaments and such and other competitions, but that's pretty nice. You can see Ripley's Believe It or Not behind there. We'll have another video on that. And then we have flags. Not really the beach status flags, but, you know. And we have the, I believe that's called the SkyWheel in front of us. And we got some restaurants along this boardwalk. And of course, the ocean over to our right. We're down here closer to these bars and restaurants on the boardwalk. It is around 10 o'clock in the morning, so most of them aren't open quite yet. Oh, we have a cat. Hello. Seems friendly. And we got this collection of turtles over here. Statues, not real turtles. It's like people have been climbing all over these, which, you know, I'm sure is encouraged. And it looks like they've been repainted a few times. Those are neat. We have the Fun Plaza Arcade. And it looks like we have some boardwalk food there. There's pineapple drinks and funnel cakes, ice cream. Boardwalk Paradise General Store. And then we have this really neat Myrtle Beach photo op. And it looks like we have another ice cream and candy store. And then another arcade. This is the Boardwalk Arcade. You can tell from their sign there. And it looks like a sandwich shop and another bar and grill. Pizza shop. Rather large gift shop down here. Here's another one of the photo ops. That one's neat with the surfboards. Oh, and it looks like we have another cat over here.
There's one that just ran across too. That's right there. Oh,
this one's right here. Hello there. Oh, no one bothered.
There's a cat right there.
There's cats all over the place here. We got this one. I like this one. This one's like sand colored. And then I believe we have another cat here. This one's playing with something. Oh, there he goes. And here's another cool photo op. This one's a sandcastle. I think this one's my favorite. We have our model there. But all those cats, yeah, they seem like their ears were tipped. So I think it's a colony of feral cats that's looked after, and there's food out for them too. Here we have Mo Moons. Yeah, there's cats all over. It's kind of neat. Whoop, that one just went on the. See all the food dishes there. There's another one.
You're famous now.
Wonder if they're just out more in the morning here. Looks like they live underneath the boardwalk. Another shot of the ocean there. Oh, and here's different maritime flags. It's a neat little sign there.
We should probably head across now.
I think the seagulls are like fish food is.
Yeah.
Can we head across?
Yeah.
Oh, I like that statue. Mom?
And we have this park here. It's like we have a little stage for events. And that Ferris wheel is moving, or the SkyWheel is moving, so it looks like it is open. Though I would probably wait till it's not quite as cloudy out here. You know, get a clearer view. We have this statue in the middle here. It's like we got some dolphins and a mermaid. This is the Goddess of the Sea by Kristen Visbal, or Visbal. And here's some of the restaurants we have. We have Duffy's, Hot Beer, Lousy Food, and Bad Service. Really selling themselves there. You got the Bowery, the eighth wonder of the world. And you got this coffee house and deli. It also says Vinyl Record Shop, but it doesn't look open at the moment. The Oceanfront Bar and Grill. I'm sure it's going to be a little windy down here, but we are actually down on the beach now. And it's a little cloudy, but not a bad day. It's nice. It's cool. Again, it's February, so too chilly to go swimming, but not a bad day to go for a walk. You see, these are the flags I was showing off earlier. Different branches of the military, of course, America and South Carolina, and POWMIA flags. There's a shot of the SkyWheel and some birds flying around from the beach. You got that big pier down there you can walk out on. There's all these big seashells on the beach here. Have some impressive shows here, you know, more than we can carry. And, you know, don't usually find them that big on the beach, especially a public beach like this. Here's another load of shells we got. You know, a lot of the stores here are selling them, but why buy them when there's such nice ones out here on the beach? Here's these seagulls over here. Or is that pigeon? I think they actually might be pigeons. See how close we can get. Not as impressive as the cats earlier, but you know, still got some wildlife here. Now I'm gonna try to fly away, just walking. You can tell they're used to humans. They're not even trying. All right, so that was just a little bit around Myrtle Beach, South Carolina proper, meaning the boardwalk and, of course, the beach, as in Myrtle Beach. Hope you enjoyed that little tour around kind of the main area here. Again, if you did, I invite you to like the video on YouTube. And, of course, leave a comment. Maybe if you've been here before, share a favorite memory or favorite thing that I showcased today. You can also subscribe to make sure you don't miss any other videos like this. Again, events, attractions, unique stores, and a whole lot more fun in and around the Atlanta area and beyond, like we are in this kind of this series of videos right now. Also, if you want to, you can follow me on Facebook, Peach State Prime. And I do post a few updates and extra photos there, and of course videos when they become available. Anyways, again, I want to thank you for taking the time out of your day to watch this video. Hope you have a great rest of your day, and God bless.